Hi, this is Suchi, and in our previous video, we were discussing about sets, different set operations. Now, we will look into the next operation, which is intersection. Now, we will see intersection. So, intersection is nothing but the common elements of both the sets. So, whatever element is present in both the sets will be coming in our intersection result. So in this scenario, you can see 30 is present in both the sets. So 30 will come up. So let us look into it. We have my set 1, my set 2. And now what we want to do is we want to have an intersection. So what we will do, we will define another set, my set 1i2, which is for intersection. And what we will say, we will do my set 1 dot intersection, and we will send my set 2. Now in this scenario also, either we write my set 1 dot intersection my set 2, or we write my set 2 dot intersection my set 1, both will return the same result, same output, because the common elements will be same in both the ways. The order does not matter. Now what we will do, we will also print the result of intersection here. So the result of intersection operation, now let us run this cell and see what happens. So you can see here the my set 1, my set 2, whatever it was before intersection, and this is after intersection. So you can see before intersection, whatever my set 1, my set 2 was, it remains same after intersection operation also, because this is not changing in place. It is actually returning a new set, which is the intersection of these two. So these are not getting changed. The original sets are not getting changed. But the result of the intersection operation is what? 30. So as you can see, these two sets are having only one common element, which is 30. So let us try with few more elements, few more common elements. Let me add 10 over here and maybe 90 here, 70. So let us see what happens. So if we run this now, you can see we have 10 in common, we have 70 in common, we have 90 in common, we have 30 in common as well. So we have 4 common elements now. So whatever common elements are present in both the sets, it will be present in the result of intersection operation. Now, again, just like this, just like union, we had update operation, which will behave the same way, but it will change it in place. So it will change the list whichever is present, whichever we are doing the operation on. So if we have done my set 2 here instead of my set 1, so it would update my set 2. As you can see, my set 1 is intact, but it is changing my set 2. In this case, the result, in this case, the order matters, because it will update the set which is being used for calling the update operation. So this will do the in place operation. That is why the order is important here. So what if we want to do some in place operation for intersection also? In now the update will not work. So what we will do? So let us see how we can achieve this type of in place operation with the help of intersection, for intersection. So let us have this. Again, the reassignment will work in this case also. In the same way, we can do this. But we will look into the in place operation. So let us have this So what we need to do, we don't want to reassign to some other variable, but we want to update in the same variable here. So what we will do is we will add intersection underscore update. So this is another method which will do the in place operation. Now in this case, myset1 will be updated because we are calling the method for this myset1 object. So it will get updated. If we change the sets here, if we change it to myset2 and myset1, then it will be updating the myset2. So let us see with myset1 first. And let's run this. As you can see, myset1 was this, myset2 was this one. But now after we run this intersection, the myset1 has become the intersection of these two sets, and myset2 is intact. If we change this order, if we call the intersection update operation for myset2 and we pass myset1 to update it, then you will see that this has been changed. The order has been changed here. So myset1 is unchanged, but as we called the intersection update operation on myset2, so the myset2 object has been updated with the intersection. So this is how we can operate. This is how we can do in place intersection operation on two sets. Now